Hello, my name is Cannon Roach. This is my project. I made wordle for the end of this course, and it is called Cannon's Wordle. So for the HTML, we have first a form that has the ID of form guess, and inside that form there's a text box that has a max length and min length of 5 with an ID of guess and the value that is undefined. And then there's a button that has the on click that will run guess get, and we'll get to that in a moment. And then we have our paragraph of grid title, which is Wordle, and then we have a bunch of ULs, and there's 6 of them because that's how many guesses you get in Wordle. And there's a bunch of list items because for each one we want to dynamically change the color of the box that they are in within the grid. So it goes as follows. It is guess 1 0, guess 1 1, 1 2 1 3 1 4, and then 2 3 4. So the numbers seem odd and random, but we'll get to that in a moment. So into our index, we have each grid set into per guess. Anyways, we have a grid per guess. There are 6 guesses, like I said before, and there's 5 rows for the 5-letter word. And the background color and of the ULs versus the body, that one's just preset. And if we go to our JavaScript, here at the very top we have a constant called words 500. That one will give us our word bank of 500 words. It will pick a random. So it starts with solution letters equaling word 500s dot get random int 500 dot split. So what that'll do is it'll go down to our get random int function, which will return a random number between max, which is a given, which is our case of 500. So it'll give a number between 1 and 500. And then let guess form equal document.getElement by ID form guess. That's the big form we have in the beginning. And then our guess count equals 1 to see how many tries we've attempted the word, so then we can stop it at 6. And then we have a console log of solution letters. This was for testing and for cheating if you want to inspect the page. So the function guessGet, it will have a test word that is the document.elementGetById guess of value. So it will take the guess that the player inputs, and then word letters will be the split of that. So then you have a array of 5 letters. And then if the guess count is not equal to 7, because it adds 1 to it at the end of the if statement here, and the for each will run, where the display guess is the document of ID where you have guess plus guess count, which will be 1. So it'll be guess 1 and then plus a space, so then it doesn't add the 2 numbers, and then li count, which is 0. So going back to our index, we could see that we have guess 1 0. So we'll do that first. So now when we go down, we have function effect check, which it will do to set the background color to either green, yellow, or gray. And then it will count. So we can run that real quick. Just give that a moment. All right, here we find Cannon's Wordle. So our guess is going to be, we're going to call it like heads. That's a good one to start with. Let me click submit. It has an E, an A, and a D. I broke it. Okay. So when you enter, it does restart the code. I am horrific at Wordle, so how I'm going to show this for sake of time. Extra is our word, so let me just type in a couple of random guesses here. Wrong, 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 wrong. And then our word is extra. I am really bad at Wordle, otherwise I do this legitimately. Extra. So that is my game. Thank you.